Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Today we're working on a BMW F06 2013 and we replaced DME with a new one order from the BMW dealership. It requires FSC code application ID 0x0096, no, 97 and 98. Alright, for power output. Alright, so you create a measure plan. Just scrolling down the line and looking at the follow-ups. Here's it right here. And here's another one. It's a V8 engine, so we're gonna need two of them for each bank of ECU. Alright, so we have application 97 and application 98. So these are the post follow-up operations gonna be doing. Calibration teaching for all vision camera. Initialization of SWW award. Lane department sensors or SWW, blah blah blah, and then initialization of tire pressure control, energy of power windows regulation, locking your back, every fucking thing. All right, we have the FSC code right here, so let's see if I can find them. Here they are right here. These are the FSC codes, and we can scroll down. We can look for the application ID of our one. Here's them right here. 97 for that, and here's another one here. This is the DME, so this is for the DME, this one. We can go down further. You can look, here's the FSC, and here's them right here, these. Alright, so this is for that. Alright, so we're gonna try to program the car. Let us see if we can execute the measure. So you know what's gonna play. So import, so you see, so they import these two here, so we're gonna now look for them. We're gonna direct this to the let's just look at where it's stored. So the my documents folder in this VIN number folder right here. In that will be right here. It'll be this. So we check that box and click import. Check again. We're gonna go here. And here's it right here. And there they are. We'll go forward. If it is genuine and checked, you should check it out and says okay. Alright. You find them, says going through. Calculation measure plan, blah blah blah. Yeah, man. This is our wire. Oh, yeah. This is our wire. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go forward with this one. Alright. Just going through the process now. So we'll go up top now. So we're gonna start those things. So we're going to have to pause the video and wait. That's coming in TCB. Oh shit. Thinking pussy I feel. I don't know what feel as a motherfucking one Rex. The blood clot dirty stinking unit. That's some mighty shit, man. I like that feel. Let's see what feel. Or 3 more and what feel. This one, this one like that pass. Alright, TCB. Alright, we go through that, go through. So the eddy unit fail. Alright, it's only the combi. Yeah, the combi should fail like the eddy unit. Either the two of them on the same pathway. This one fail. Then this one. This either fail or go through. Both of them either this go through, this one gonna fail. Alright, just wait and see. Alright, we have the amplifier program, go through the eddy unit, earbud program, and then the cast is the last one to go through. Well, the eddy unit programming field. I thought I see a green tick on this. I thought I see a green tick. It's so red. KFOS. Alright, come we go through KFOS going through. So we just wait and see. Alright, KFOS program successfully. Recording now. All of these will start. Alright, logistics recording applied now. Oh, come on. Or is there some exception here? Alright, let me see now. There's an exception. Like an exclamation mark, right? So eddy unit, oh yeah, see the programming and coding as I thought the only one probably need to not to be done or needed later. Or the FSC could now write it at the DME or something. Alright, it's on the stored integrated operating instructions. The eddy unit is not bringing me up because I don't know afterwards that can be done. I'll just wait and see. Follow up operation, that's it. I'll just wait and see. Alright, it's try to program over the eddy unit again. So we wait 1 hour. That's how much time we wait. The network path is not set right. That's why it failed the first time.
Sherry. Well, I've been meaning to tell you something. Check it out. I saw you standing by the ice cream stand with a ribbon in your hair and a radio in your hand. The sun was setting on the edge of the town, but you were the only light I saw around. My heart started beating like a kettle drum. I tried to speak, but my tongue was feeling numb. Every time you look my way, I don't know quite what to say, but I'm gonna summon up the nerve to be the kind of guy you want to see. You and me, Sherry, my baby, you're the one that's driving me crazy. You and me, Sherry, my baby, you're the only one I'm dreaming of, babe. It's a love that's true, just for me and you. You and me, Sherry, my baby, you're the one that's driving me crazy. for me and you. Oh, we could take a walk down by the shore. I've never felt a feeling like this before. We'll share a soda with a couple of straws, following the rhythm of the heart's own laws. You've got a smile that can stop the rain. You're the cure for every little ache and pain. Every time you look my way, I don't know quite what to say, but I'm not smart enough to nerve to be the kind of guy you want to see. You and me, here by baby, you're the one that's driving me crazy. You and me, here by baby, you're the only one I'm dreaming of, lady. Oh, it's a love that's true. It's a love that's true. Oh yeah, just for me and you. Reach deep this way, you're the only girl for me. She's so sweet, she's so neat. You make my life complete. A bright synthesized perfect soul. There's a joyful man. Sharing my baby, no one's stopping me. Sharing my baby, you're the only one I'm dreaming of, baby. Oh, yeah. Don't ever leave me, baby. We'll go to the prom, we'll dance the night away. Just you and me.
Alright, YouTubers, we finished work on the DME here. Yeah. Alright, the fall code here showed up. It showed up PT can mission for DME, no? Alright, see? Sure, no. Previously, it was yes. Alright, these right here that show yes are because the L unit, the NBT failed programming because we need to connect it to the modem outbound ports, the internet modem outbound ports, so that we can have the network path set correctly to program the thing. Alright, yeah. So we have the DME program. That's what my actual work or task to do. I'll just say L unit failed in the programming of work. This will need to be restored. I think it can be restored, but we need to get icon connected via DHP slower. The first service plan is there is the measure plan now to be done for the new, but we can't execute it and go forward, so we're gonna have to just wait. We're gonna close out the system now. Oh, operations report. Let's store this one. All right. I don't want nobody else but you. All right, I'm gonna disconnect from this stuff. Minimize it. What is this? We're gonna run ESYS and see. Alright, let's start the connection here. Yeah. Alright, we gotta end the session now. Goodbye. Nice to talk to you guys. Okay. Alright, the unit has been restored. Program here. Coding go through. The integrated manual run. Most configurations stored. Alright, we are lucky. Shit takes so long. Yeah. Alright, measure plan done. Alright, good. Let's do it restored. Good. Shit. We'll take a look at the control unit tree. Oh shit, sure programming aboard. Look at this piece of shit. Oh wow. Oh, you know, turn green. Oh, turn green. Okay, good. There goes. You know, look good. Yeah. Very good. The DME also green. Yeah, see that? I think good for you, man. I'm alright. Sean pay me more money. But it's alright. Anyway, alright, YouTubers. Thank you for viewing my BMW channel. Remember to subscribe. I am out. Bloom. Alright, the measure plan has been completed. Oh wow. Oh. Restore individual data. Oh again. Can't tell that fucking thing now. Go back over. Alright, all SSD code access to the DME. Yeah, everything alright. You can see this now. Every friggin' time. Alright. Alright, this job is done, so we're good. Alright, YouTubers, gotta go. Let's see what the file code is saying here. Wow, look at me shit. Oh, the top right camera not learn. There's a lot of code in this shit. Alright. Alright, we're gonna start doing these things now. Gotta go later on, I gotta do it later. Not now. Oh, fuck. Alright, it says the following cameras are being successfully charging right here. Where's the camera following or not successfully charging? This one. I don't know if you have these disconnected. Following are being this one, the cameras on the rear view charging. Alright, we're done with this. I'm done with it. I'll do the file code now. Alright, YouTubers, gotta go now. Alright, you gotta do the rest, so I have to leave now. Alright, YouTubers, don't forget to subscribe and watch my channel, blah blah blah. Remember to subscribe. I am out. Bloom. Gotta go.